Hey, what's up people, and welcome to a new GPT guitar video tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you two smooth jazz fusion lines in the key of C that you can play over any C major progression, A minor progression, D minor, Dorian, or G7 Mixolydian, F Lydian, whatever you want. The lines are over the C major scale, so if you still don't know the major scales, please go and check out my video about major scales number 1. I'm going to leave the link on the description so you can go and check it out if you still don't know the major scales. I'm going to show you the lines and play it over an A minor backing track that I'm going to leave the link of the backing track too on the description, and I'm going to leave a PDF that is going to contain both the two lines that I'm going to play right now and the two lines in transposed in other key, in G. So you have the example on how you can do to move these lines in different keys. So first the lines in the scale of C major, play it a tempo, then I'm going to play it very slow so you can see the fingering. I'm going to put the shapes of the scales that I'm using to play these lines, and after that I'm going to show you the same examples like I said, but in G major. Okay, I hope that you like it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Thanks so much.